This tutorial will show you how to make a link to an external resource in Canvas. So what does an external resource mean? Any resource that goes to a URL outside of the University of Minnesota's Canvas environment is considered an external resource. There's a different process for creating internal links, which you can find a tutorial for in the ATD faculty resource site. To begin, let's go to the content we want to edit. I'm going to start by going to the module overview page. At the top right corner, click on the Edit button. In the Rich Content Editor field, type out the title for the link. Typically, the text is the title of the page or article. The important part is to not use a raw URL like this. Check out Accessible Use page on Hyperlinks for more information on making accessible links. Once your text is ready, highlight the section of text you wish to link. In the toolbar, click on the button that looks like a chain link. In the pop-up menu, paste the URL in the text field, then click on the Insert Link button. As always, when editing content, remember to click on the blue Save button at the bottom to complete your changes to your content. Please feel free to check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials, as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.